Hey guys, we received this Tronco 32 ounce glass tumbler with straw for test and try. They have with a bamboo lid. So iced coffee cup or reusable with a smoothie cups or tumbler with silicone protective sleeve. So let's just open the box and see. So the first impression, it comes in a really nice packing and a really good size 32 ounce glass tumbler thing. So let me just open up this. So it's a bamboo lid and the silicone sleeve so you will not feel hot and the cold on the outside and can protect some of the heating and the cooling. So you can see the base so that non-slip and then a nice glass tumbler here. So this is the bamboo lid. So with the straw and sealing so that it can keep the things there and do not come easily outside. So the straw thing, it just applied with it. You can reuse it or clean it and it goes really get inside and can hold it well with this. So total height is around 10.3 inches and width is around 3.2 inches for the glass tumbler. So there are two colors, the white and this smoky sandy color or the amber color, and then is the same lid, the bamboo lid, and with this nice sealing, and then for the straw as well. So it's a great fit, and I will say it's a great size. So if you like smoothies, coffees, or cold coffee, or you need some more size with a 32 ounce, you can directly put it, and then its cleaning is also easy, dishwasher safe, and then also you can just clean it with a brush and then reuse it. Quality wise, I like this, and yeah, this holds really things well. So you can see it here from the sides, from the silicone, and everything is good.